Hey, hello guys. So on my back, you can see this is a bucket elevator, and if you notice, the material is stainless steel because the owner has requested the stainless steel. But so we also offers carbon steel and bucket elevator. But in the fertilizer industry, sometimes if the owner has high requirement, they will request to be fully stainless steel. So in terms of structure, this is the header section of the bucket elevator, and then because right now it is not fully assembled. So after being assembled, there will be a three-way platform here that with handrails, and then the platform is where the motor and then also the gearbox is installed, and then it will be connected to the transmission shaft of the bucket elevator, and then you can see. Here we have a inspection doors in here. So So if you open this up, and then you can see the pulleys inside of this stainless steel bucket elevator. So in terms of structure inside, there will be a sprocket, and then the sprocket we have two types. One is one integral part, and then another part is segmented sprocket. So it will be separated into four pieces. So this is the bucket elevator header part, and then there will be the middle sections down, and then there will be the bottom sections, which we will also show you in our next video. So right now, the tallest fertilizer bucket elevators we do is 128 meters high of stainless steel bucket elevator, and those are used in our high tower fertilizer production lines. So the reason why it's so high is because the high tower fertilizer need to go through the preheating process, which you need to lift up the materials into the tower and then to the mixing tanks and then dripping down from the granulation tower. Anyway, so this is our bucket elevator. You can see it's 40 stainless steel. And then notice the model is called TGD. TGD means it's not using plate chain nor using ring chain. It is using rubber cord. So it is a rubber on the outside, but it's a steel cord inside. So this type is especially suitable for high distance vertical material conveying. So you can see. So you can see this one. The model is 315. It's 111 meters. This one is the TGD 400. It is 119 meters, 119 meters. And then this one is also TGD 400, the model, and the height of this whole bucket elevator is 115 meters. Yep. So yep. I guess this is a quick introduction of our bucket elevator.